What if your healthy breakfast is quietly harming you? You might want to pause before your next bite of oatmeal. Because what if I told you that a single, innocent mistake could quietly turn your wholesome breakfast into a silent threat? It sounds shocking, but it is true. Most people believe oatmeal is one of the healthiest choices to start the day. It is rich in fiber, easy on digestion, and often recommended for heart and cholesterol health. But here is the part that no one talks about: the way you prepare, store, or even sweeten your oatmeal can completely flip its benefits, and not in a good way. In fact, some of the most common habits with oatmeal may increase your exposure to inflammation, digestive discomfort, or even long-term health risks like toxicity and cancer. Yes, seriously. The very food you thought was supporting your health might actually be setting you back, especially if you are over 60 and making every bite count for your well-being. If oatmeal is a regular part of your morning, then this message is for you. What you are about to learn is not fear-mongering, it is simply the truth that many overlook. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what not to do, how to protect your health, and how to make oatmeal truly work for your body. We are going to explore 4 surprisingly common mistakes that can quietly turn oatmeal from a health food into a health hazard, and we will walk you through how to fix each one. And please stay with me until the end, because the last mistake is one even the healthiest eaters rarely catch. But fixing it could protect not just your breakfast, but your future. Mistake 1: reheating leftover oatmeal. Reheating oatmeal might feel like a harmless way to save time, especially if you cook in bulk. After all, it is just oats and water, right? But here is what most people never hear: reheating oatmeal, especially in the microwave or after it has sat in the fridge too long, can quietly damage your health. When oatmeal is stored improperly, then reheated, especially at high temperatures, it can form harmful compounds that spark inflammation and digestive strain. Here is what really happens behind the scenes. When oatmeal sits out too long, particularly when it is made with milk or sugar, it can grow bacteria and undergo oxidation. Reheating it, especially in the microwave, may alter its chemical makeup and generate substances called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These are linked to faster aging, inflammation, and even cellular damage. For seniors already working to manage inflammation or digestive sensitivity, this can silently make things worse. Imagine doing your best to eat right, only to realize your oatmeal habit might be sabotaging your efforts. The takeaway? Make only what you plan to eat. If you must store it, cool it quickly in an airtight container and reheat gently on the stove, not in the microwave. Or try overnight oats, which you eat cold and never have to reheat. This small change could make a big difference in how your body processes what should be a healing meal. Mistake 2: overloading with sugar. Adding sweetness to oatmeal can seem harmless. A little honey, a spoon of brown sugar, it feels comforting. But for people over 60, especially those watching their blood sugar, that simple addition could quietly turn oatmeal into a danger zone. Too much sugar transforms a healthy breakfast into something that behaves more like dessert. That sugar spike can feed inflammation, strain your pancreas, and even increase your risk for chronic illnesses like type 2 diabetes and certain cancers, particularly in the pancreas and colon. When sugar and natural starches in oats combine, blood glucose can rise rapidly. The body responds by flooding your system with insulin. But if this happens day after day, your cells may stop responding to insulin, a warning sign for diabetes. The emotional sting is this: you choose oatmeal to feel good and stay healthy, but unknowingly, the sugar you add might be reversing those benefits. The lesson here is simple: sweeten smart. Use whole fruits like bananas or berries. Sprinkle cinnamon or nutmeg for natural flavor. And avoid pre-sweetened instant oatmeal packets, those are some of the worst culprits. Your body will thank you for it. Mistake 3: cooking oatmeal at high temperatures. Oatmeal seems simple enough to cook: boil water or milk, toss in the oats, let it simmer. But many people unknowingly make a big mistake by cooking it too fast, at too high a temperature, or blasting it in the microwave. When you do this, especially without enough liquid, it can trigger a reaction that alters the oat's natural compounds and creates harmful byproducts. This is due to the Maillard reaction, the same process that browns meat or toast. It produces AGEs, advanced glycation end products, which promote inflammation, degrade collagen in your joints and skin, and are even linked to cancer growth. You will not see or taste the damage, but it is there. And for older adults already dealing with joint stiffness or inflammation, this mistake can worsen those issues without warning. The better way? Cook oatmeal slowly on low to medium heat, with enough liquid. If using a microwave, turn down the power setting and stir often. A small adjustment in your cooking method could lead to major benefits in how your body reacts. Mistake 4. Using artificial sweeteners. In an effort to cut calories or manage blood sugar, many people turn to artificial sweeteners. But using chemicals like aspartame, sucralose, or saccharin in your oatmeal may quietly backfire. These sweeteners are not neutral, especially when heated. They can alter your gut microbiome and create chemical byproducts that disturb digestion and immunity. When artificial sweeteners are added to hot foods like oatmeal, especially immediately after cooking, they can change structure and interfere with healthy bacteria in your gut. Over time, this imbalance can increase inflammation, affect digestion, and open the door to chronic disease. Even more concerning, when some sweeteners interact with heat or acid in your stomach, they may form potentially harmful compounds that build up over time. If you need a bit of sweetness, go natural. Try berries, raisins, a drizzle of real maple syrup, all in moderation. These options support your system, not stress it. Oatmeal should nourish, not confuse your body with synthetic compounds it cannot recognize. Final thoughts: oatmeal should heal, not harm. Here is the real takeaway: the danger is rarely in the food itself. It is in how we handle it. Oatmeal is still one of the best breakfast choices out there, when treated right. But when you reheat it the wrong way, drown it in sugar, cook it too hot, or mix it with artificial sweeteners, you unknowingly turn something wholesome into something harmful. This message is not meant to scare you. It is meant to empower you. You have more control than you think. And small daily choices, like cooking with care, choosing natural flavors, or skipping the microwave, can protect your health in powerful ways. These small changes add up to better energy, better digestion, and a stronger body. And if you are still watching, that tells me something important. You are not someone who takes your health for granted. You care, you take action, and that mindset is powerful. So the next time you stir your oats, ask yourself, are you eating with intention? Are your habits aligned with your health goals? If so, keep going. If not, you now have the knowledge to make a better choice. And that puts you ahead of most people. Thank you for being here today. I would love to know what stood out to you. Feel free to leave a comment below and share one thing you learned. Your thoughts encourage us and help others too. And if you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep nourishing your life one smart choice at a time.